Wait, did you just give your phone permission to spy on you? Let me show you what's really going on and how to fix it. Basically, Google keeps a massive digital diary of your life. Every search, every location, every random thought you typed in at 3 a.m., it's all stored on a timeline that goes back years. It's kind of creepy, right? Today, we are going to wipe that slate clean and take your privacy back. This isn't just about what you searched yesterday. This is a full-on history of you. Picture this. It logs that on December 18th at 5 p.m., you searched for, "Why does my knee hurt?" Then 15 minutes later, you walked into a pharmacy, and an hour later, you were looking up side hustles. They take all those little puzzle pieces to build a complete profile of who you are, so that they can target you with ads to make you buy stuff. But if you're like me and you value your privacy, we need to delete that data right now. Grab your Android and follow along. This takes like 90 seconds. First, pop open your main settings. Go up to the search bar and just type in Activity. You're looking for an option that says Google Activity. Tap on that. Select your main Google account. If you've got a burner account or a work email, make sure you pick the main one you use daily. Now, look for Web and App Activity. Tap it. Scroll all the way down until you see a link that says Manage all web and app activity. Now look at that list. That is everything you've been doing. Every click, every map route. It's all there. Now let's nuke this data. Step 1. Tap the button that says Delete. Step 2. Choose All Time. Step 3. Hit Next and then Confirm. And just like that, your history is gone. We now need to prevent it from piling up again. Scroll back up to where it says Saving Activity. You have two choices here. Option A. If you want to be a ghost, you can turn this off completely. No personalization, maximum privacy. Option B is My Recommendation. If you still want your maps to know where you are, and you want YouTube to give you good recommendations, leave it on. But enable auto delete. Go back one step, tap auto delete, and change the setting to 3 months. This way, Google automatically shreds your data every 90 days without you lifting a finger. And there you go. You're officially invisible. Well, at least your old data is. If this hack helped you sleep better at night, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button and hit subscribe. I drop privacy tips like this all the time, and you definitely don't want to miss the next one. Stay safe out there.